Hey folks, as you can see, we've got two different pairs of Magpul gloves here. On the left, we've got a black pair of Patrol 2.0 gloves, and on the right hand side, we've got a Coyote pair of Technical 2.0 gloves. Both gloves made by Magpul, made to Magpul standards, Magpul quality, and personally, I haven't used them yet. I have tried the Technicals on. I haven't got the largest hands in the world. The large is a little bit tight on me. If I was to order for myself, I'd go for an XL. The difference between the two gloves I will get to when I go through the specifications, but basically, from what I can gather, the Technical glove is your entry level, everyday sort of home maintenance, working in your workshop, maybe shooting, light duty, multi-purpose sort of glove. The Technical has got you covered. If you're looking for something a little bit more heavy duty, something that you are going to be high abrasion, something where you need a little bit more protection, the Patrol glove is what you're looking for. Both of these gloves are touchscreen compatible. That's important these days. Recently, all good glove manufacturers have started making their gloves touchscreen compatible, so you'll see that they have got touchscreen little inserts that allow you to operate your smart device, which is also very helpful. It's the index finger, the middle finger, and the thumb. Initially, I was quite puzzled. I thought, why the thumb? But then I realized you actually do a lot on a device with your thumb. Other than that, let's go through the specifications. Let's start with the Technical gloves. What they say is ambidextrous 3-finger touchscreen capability. I've just mentioned that. Suede back of thumb for comfort and durability as a thumb wipe. So that was quite interesting. So you'll notice the back have all got the same, back of the fingers have all got the same material, and then the back of this one, it's got suede. So that'll help you to clean your screen. Could even help you clean an optic in a pinch if you don't have the correct equipment to actually clean an optic. So yeah, that's quite interesting. Compression molded neoprene cuff for secure fit. That's something I noticed that was really good. It is quite tight when you put it on, but once it's there, it stays tight. It doesn't flap. It's not loose, which is very nice. I really like that. I also really like this pull tab. Corded nylon construction for back of hand stretch and enhanced durability. High abrasion synthetic suede palm for durability and better grip. So that's the suede, the same suede that's on the back of the thumb is also on the inside of the hand. Reinforced suede pull tab, I mentioned that earlier. Very helpful getting the glove onto your hand. If I had to compare this glove to something that most people would be able to relate to, I would say this is the equivalent of a Mechanics 0.5 type glove. It's a lighter duty, lighter glove. It's also better for hot weather environments or just hot environments where your hands are sweating and you don't want something that's too thick. Great all-round glove. That's the Magpul Technical glove. Obviously also available in black, and I'm not sure of other colors, but we'll have a look and let you know. Then, moving on to the Magpul Patrols. They, as mentioned, are a slightly heavier duty glove than the Technical gloves. Another purpose I've left out, and as the name implies, is law enforcement, security work. This is a great glove. It gives you a little bit more protection on the knuckles and on the outside of your hand, a little bit more reinforcing, goatskin leather, more durable, going to last longer if you're doing something that's a little bit more punishing to your gloves. In terms of the specifications, wrap-up finger pattern and articulated palm pattern for added tactility, touchscreen compatible at thumbs, as mentioned, closed cell foam padded at thumbs. I wonder if that means that the other fingers are not smartphone compatible. That'll be interesting to see. Closed cell foam padded knuckle protection. So you'll see here they've got some padding that's been sewn in and stitched in here, just to give you a little bit of added protection. Nothing too much. Then corded nylon for back of hand protection. You can definitely see and feel that the nylon material used in the Patrol is stronger and more heavy duty than the Technical. It's going to give you better protection. I already mentioned goatskin palm for maximum durability. Goatskin we all know is pliable. It lasts long. It doesn't wear easily. Very nice and soft and pliable. And then flex knuckle panel on back of fingers for easy articulation. So obviously you don't want to be limited in your movement, and so they allow for just a little bit of stretch. Not too much, just a little bit, so that you're able to do everything that you need to do, and you know you can rely on the gloves. As I say, I haven't tried either of these gloves myself, the reason being that I've got a whole bunch of mechanics, to be honest, in my range bag, in my go bag, in my vehicle. I've probably got 2 or 3, including thermals. So I'm not sure if and when I'm going to get to testing these, but if and when I do, I'll definitely report back and let you guys know what we think about that. So that's the Magpul Patrol Glove 2.0 and the Technical Glove 2.0. As I mentioned, Magpul, you do pay a slight premium because they are Magpul, but you're getting what you expect from Magpul, which is Magpul quality. So they get a thumbs up.